Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to SpaceX and other companies racing to build AI data centers in space, lured by endless solar power and escape from Earth's land, water, and community pushback against massive facilities. Solar panels would drink in constant sunlight, converting only about half into electricity, while the near -455 degrees Fahrenheit cold of space lets waste heat radiate out through vast panels, skipping the power-hungry chillers and cooling towers that dominate energy use after the servers in Earth data centers. Yet space is merciless. Radiation damages electronics. Removing 10 megawatts of heat requires radiator surfaces the size of 2 football fields because heat leaves only as slow infrared with no air. Hardware refreshed every 3 to 5 years on the ground becomes a costly repair headache in orbit. And huge data volumes must travel via radio or lasers with latency problems for interactive Earth apps plus rising orbital debris threats. SpaceX's just announced AI-1 compute satellite being 100 to 1, 1,000 times less capable than current Earth data centers suggests the first real applications will likely process space data for Earth observation, military, or scientific missions rather than replacing terrestrial cloud computing for everyday users. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, hype, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.